Welcome to another episode of Shaping the Fiber Networks. Today we explore how QR codes are transforming product instructions at PLP Micos. We've transitioned from printed manuals to QR codes on our products. A simple scan gives instant access to installation guides. Smart, efficient, and eco-friendly. Technicians can access manuals in the field at any time. Thanks to modern tools, they can also translate them into any languages needed, making installations more convenient worldwide. Moreover, our digital manuals offer rich multimedia content, including color images, enhancing clarity, and improving the overall user experience. With these advancements, accessing and using our manuals has never been easier. So, scan, install, and stay ahead with PLP Micos.